Hi, this is Queen, Head of Customer Success here at AEvent. Now that your campaign is live, tested, and running, in this video we'll walk through how to monitor performance and refine your strategy using the data available inside AEvent. So the first thing we need to do is to look at your AEvent dashboard. From your main dashboard, you'll see here the high-level performance at a glance, including registration. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see the number of attendees and non-attendees. You'll see the audience breakdown here. But for campaigns using Zoom or GoToWebinar, attendance data comes in after each session run. So that means you have to go to the past events and open the event details by clicking on this icon. If you click that, you'll see the number of attendees, non-attendees, and the average attendance time, and so much more. So let's go back to your dashboard. So what we need to do next is look at audience rules. Inside our campaign, we can use audience rules to group registrants based on behavior. So let's open the campaign again, and then let's go to the audience section of this campaign. And we already covered this. The default attendance types or audience types are registrants, attendees for those who registered and attended, and non-attendees for those who registered but did not attend. Aside from that, you can create your own audience. We have here attendee complete webinar greater than 80 minutes. So if we open this up, this is the rule that we have for this specific audience. So if time attended is greater than 80 minutes, they will fall or they will be categorized under this audience. Aside from that, we can also create attended but did not click. So let's say you have a CTA. So let's add a condition. Present greater than 80 minutes. Let's select page view, did not visit. And then you have to indicate the URL of your CTA here. Let's say this is my CTA URL. Alright, so I have just created an audience type where people who attended but did not click on my CTA URL will be categorized under this audience type. These segments can be used to trigger follow-up inside your campaign or to sync with your CRM or ad platform. So for example, we'll be creating a timeline action targeting those who did not click, and I want to send them an SMS. So I can pull their first name by clicking on the personalization icon, select first name, and you can type, "Hi, I noticed you did not visit my CTA link. If you just missed it, here's the link again." You can put in the link in there. And then don't forget to indicate the number where you'll be sending the message from. And then just click on create and the action will be created. And aside from that, we can review what worked and what didn't. So you have to check and analyze when you got the most registrations. Did your pre-event messages or SMS help boost show up rate? Were follow-up actions timed correctly based on replay, drop-off, or engagement? You can use these to tweak the timing, delivery style, or message flow in your next run. Aside from this, if you notice that, say you have multiple campaigns like I do, and you notice that this one works best, meaning you were able to get more registrations using this campaign, you actually have the option to duplicate it. So you just have to click on the three dots to the right and then click on duplicate. So once you duplicate this, you can just swap out the media, change the video that you want to put in there. You can change the delivery platform from Astream to Zoom. You can change the event type from automated like live to manual or semi-automatic. You can also adjust the timing for new partners. This will make it easier for you to launch again without starting from scratch. So pro tips from us: use replay windows strategically. Too short and people will miss it. Too long and the urgency drops. Test your action mix. SMS plus voicemail together often outperforms single channel. Campaigns are versionable, so small tweaks to timing or sequencing can yield big lift. That's it. You now know how to build, launch, test, and optimize campaigns inside AEvent, all without rebuilding every time or starting from scratch. Thank you for watching. If you ever need help, strategy, or support, we're just a message away. We are open Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day. You can reach out via support chat. Welcome to the way events should work. Have a great day.